Hi everyone! This time we are going to talk about science of society that is known as sociology. Every human being is a person who has various differences in him. As we know, humans are creatures that cannot live alone and need others to meet their needs. Therefore, humans always changes from time to time. Humans are individual, social, and cultured beings. As individual beings, humans are autonomous beings, which means they have freedom to make choices and they have to be responsible for their choices. Please keep in mind that humans as individual beings are not the same as individualism. Individualism is a social theory favoring freedom of action for individuals over collective or state control. As social beings, humans need others to help them to fulfill their needs. Therefore, humans interact with others and then they bring up social symptoms. As cultured beings, humans develop their potential. They interact and manage their environment. Humans and their lives are always interesting to study. This is because the object of study is ourselves or the people around us. One of the sciences which study humans' life is sociology. The birth of sociology was closely related to the social change around the 19th century that happening in Western Europe during the period of Industrial Revolution in England and Social Revolution in France. When the Industrial Revolution took place, trade capitalism developed. The factories began to use machineries and workers began to work in factories. People who initially farmed or traded in the village began to go to the city to look for jobs. The situation changed economic and people's behavior. When the French Revolution took place, liberal thoughts began to emerge in society and even in the constitutions. Discrimination began to decrease and all people had the same position before the law. Both of revolutions actually had a good intention to improve the quality of life of the peoples, but they produced an unexpected effects such as chaos, social deviation, and many others. The term of sociology first appeared in 1839 in the description of a paragraph in the 47th lesson of Cours de la Philosophie, lecture on philosophy by Auguste Comte. Sociology comes from Latin words, socius, it means friend, college or society, and then logos, it means science and idea. Sociology is a social science that studies human societies, their interactions, and the processes that preserve and change them. It examines the dynamics of constituent parts of societies such as institutions, communities, populations, gender, racial, or age groups. Sociology also studies social status or stratification, social movements, and social change, as well as societal disorder in the form of crime, deviance, and revolution. By realizing that humans are cultured beings and they cannot live alone, then sociology becomes a very interesting science to be learned by all of us. Sociology becomes a science that will never run out to be learned because humans always change from time to time. Sociology is really interesting, isn't it? Happy learning sociology, everyone!